Hi everyone, here Charles with Impact Archery. We are going to take a moment to show you how we make our pre-made D-loops. We carry in our store 44 different D-loop colors from BCY. We have found some of the advantages in our store to have pre-made D-loops as a time saver, because all of our D-loops are ready to go and we do not have to spend a little bit of time on pre-making a D-loop to a customer order. They are already ready to go. We have also found that they are a more consistent length. So when you're training your employees that are learning how to make D-loops for the very first time, it is a very simple process, and having a set standard procedures for making the D-loops ensures that they are all going to be a very consistent and exactly the same length. So the first step is we grab our paper cutter right here, and we're going to take our raw D-loop material and we cut our D-loops to 4.5 inches. So we're going to set our D-loop material to 4.5 inches, cut a piece off, and you should have a section of D-loop material just like so that will be ready for the very next step. For saving time, I always recommend to my employees to cut several of them at once. That way you have a pile of D-loops that are going to be ready for the very next step. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to do a few of them. So now you have about 5 D-loops right there that are ready to move on to the next step, which is to puff out the ends and get them ready for burning. This is another very simple step. All you're going to do is take your finger and just puff out the ends like so, so the white core on the inside is exposed. Same thing on both ends. And that one is ready to move on to the next step. And you just repeat over and over again, like so. Like so. And I'll just do one more and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so now we have 3 D-loops ready to go on to the next step. Now we're going to grab our torch. You can use a lighter if you like, but I found it easier to use a torch. So we're going to turn on our flame. You don't need a lot of heat, a little bit of heat. And now we are going to take our D-loop material and we're going to start burning as we turn it. And then I like to use the base of the lighter to create a nice flat mushroom cap, like so. So again, walk it into the flame and then put out the flame so it creates a nice cap like you see right there. I'll do it again. Walk it into the flame, starts melting it. Like so. And there you have it. There are 2 pre-made D-loops ready to go. They can go into your box. I try to keep about 15 D-loops at any time stocked up, ready to go. This is a great exercise for your employees to do for time saving. And yeah, hope this tip helps. Thank you very much.